What's up everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new, welcome in and I'm happy to see you here. So today I'm going to be revamping an oldish video I did for Korean books that I recommend. So let's get into it. Okay, so first up we have an honorable mention. Now this book for one pro, and it gives you a lot of examples. And one con, it's a little scattered. Okay, vocabulary. This is the fun part. Okay, next up we have grammar. Moving on to part 3, we have immersion. Last but not least, we have topic prep. Well guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. I will be making a Spanish version, so stay tuned for that in the future by subscribing. And I have a Japanese version up as well, so you can check that out too. See you guys later. Ay, ay.